What's up, Bixbyans? Today, I'll be demonstrating some Valentine's Day related stuff that you can ask Bixby. Now, I will be using the wake word, "Hi Bixby," to wake Bixby up, but I'll be editing that out of the video. To learn how to talk to Bixby, click on the card that's, I think, in the top right corner, and it will also be in the description below. Without further ado, let's get started. What date is Valentine's Day on?
Valentine's Day will be on Sunday, February 14th.
Will you be my Valentine?
We don't need to be Valentines to hang out on Valentine's Day. I've got all the Valentine in the world for you.
Tell me a love story.
Time for a tale about the truest love of all. One of the greatest love stories ever told, the history of mac and cheese begins in the 14th century, with an Italian cookbook calling for sheet pasta, cut into squares, then grated with cheese. While this recipe evolved into the tube-shaped pasta we all love, it took another 500 years for Thomas Jefferson to fall in love with the French version of macaroni and cheese and bring it back to the United States. Butter, cheese, and carbs. If that isn't love, then what is?
Tell me a Valentine's Day joke.
Why do soda cans avoid falling in love? Having a crush sounds dangerous. What do you call a song about being lonely? A single. Why do hearts love to play the drums? They can keep a beat.
Valentine's Day rap.
My Valentine's gift to you comes wrapped. There's nothing like a homemade Valentine, a heartfelt way to say, "Hi, be mine." Filled with paper, love, ribbon, and lace. They're a surefire way to bring a smile to a face. Deliver in secret or out loud and say a confession of affection with expression on display. Or pass them to friends. They're in luck. A Valentine is like a long-distance hug. Here's a love story with a big heartbeat. Two elephants in love on the savannah. One's name is Roy and the other is Brianna. They're smitten for each other, but neither would know it. They've never been in love and don't know how to show it. No gifts to give, no sights to view, and they can't hold hands like humans do. So they stand side by side, close as they can get, and dream of each other while they watch the sunset.
What flowers do you recommend for Valentine's Day?
I found some matches on 1-800-Flowers. The most popular option is Fields of Europe Romance, starting at $49. I found this flower option for Valentine's Day. Would you like to buy it?
Ask Copycat to say Happy Valentine's Day with Julia's voice.
Happy Valentine's Day.
I'm done recording.
Got it. I turned off Do Not Disturb.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. That was a quick command. To learn how to do this, check out the video in the top left corner.